Hello and welcome to this live, this summer special that's going to be today. And we're going to be doing, it's going to be a lot of fun actually, because we are going to be doing 2 lives back to back. Okay, so the first one just starting now. And आज का एक जो मजा है वो ये है that आपको सब कुछ देखने को मिलेगा दोनों ही lives में. You're going to be seeing right from our cottons and chanderis to silks to some heavier ones also, and of course this is the new launch today, the new look that's happening. Okay, so this we did put up a style video yesterday itself, and it's the very first time that I've created an entire collection of organza suits. Okay, so we've dealt with it thoda precaution se most of the time, thinking how it's going to be, but this is the time when we've created entire whole color palette collection with organza suits, and I'm loving it so much. But I'm going to talk a bit about that थोड़ी सी देर में, because what I want to tell you right now is the format that we are following. आज अभी ये 10 बजे का लाइव है. You're going to be seeing everything. हर चीज है, सूट्स है, फैब्रिक है, दुपट्टा है. Because मुझे ये बात समझ आई है from your interactions on our WhatsApp that you are in the mood for everything, from cotton, from chanderis, premium cotton, silks and dupattas, all of that. So दोनों ही live, it's going to be a mixed concept that you're going to be seeing everything. अच्छा, बहुत जरूरी है that if you're going to be in Ludhiana and Chandigarh, and you should be, you must be, we really await you. तो आप अपने friends, family को लेके आए, and I know everybody who's in US or in Canada, you're spreading the word around to your friends and family. Make sure that they turn up on your behalf and they do your shopping. Okay, so on that. There are no lives this time from Chandigarh and Ludhiana because it's an absolutely crazy back-to-back schedule. But what we are doing is आज ये last live है इस हफ्ते का, और हम आपको सब दिखा दे रहे हैं. All our stuff will also leave for this road show, the Punjab road show on Saturday. तो उसके पहले, of course, there's no other chance. We want you to be able to buy these beautiful pieces right away. So get ready to place your order. Don't take too much time, because then we won't have them in our hands and they're going to come back only on the 31st back. So it's a long one. Anyways, talking more about what I'm wearing, it's the first time that we've done an organza, Kora silk as you call it, as a suit set and as a complete one. Now it's like, as I said, a bloom of flowers, the most beautiful meenakari work on it. And हम सभी को I think थोड़ा सा रहता है कि organza कैसे behave करेगा. Is it going to be too much? Is it going to be too fluffy? Can I handle it? Now, see it for yourself. It's absolutely soft. Just look at the wrap around you. Just the right amount of, the body that it should have. So easy to use, so good. Now, this Meena, there is 2 things. One, it makes it look so beautiful, of course. But the second thing is that it also kind of adds some weight. So everything just falls in place. Koi movement hi nahi hai, So the whole idea of organza, is it going to slip like that? No, it's not going to slip, because aise nahi hota hai. When you have the best organzas getting woven, then there is no problem in that. Now look at the beauty of this. I have done some detailing here, and my pants are really cool. Okay, I will also talk about what we have done for our pants in just a bit. Now look at that. That's your whole look, because I'm going to get to work, so I'm going to remove my dupatta, because of course it's this whole beautiful look that I want to once show you. Now you can see this is of course our signature color. It's a deep red, but I do have more color options for you, which is what I'm going to show you. Okay, we did have white also of this one. We do have a picture. You can ask for us in the picture, but it's absolutely sold out. But what I do have in white is this, and this is the other piece that you can see. Now, I was talking about the pants. We have done a most phenomenal thing with our pants. It's a cotton jacquard. It's a self-textured. You'll see it. And this is with all the colors. But it also has this most beautiful border. Achha, मैंने skip कर दी थी border because I took an uneven pants. But you can and you must definitely use it. और कई बार मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि अगर आप इसमें नहीं use कर रहे तो काट के रख लें. Use it for something else. But don't waste the borders. Now, that's your white in this. And yes, it's dyeable, but I think it looks so beautiful. The Meena coming out so well in it. Here you go. So look at that. There you go. Now everybody who's coming on the show, you're going to be seeing many collections as this. हम बहुत सारा cotton ला रहे हैं, organza, chanderi, and premium cotton, munga, and georgette, all of that, and of course some silk and lots of bani, beautiful dupattas for you to choose from. और ये एक बहुत अच्छी chance है that even if you've not kind of ever bought from Neev, if you've not seen a collection, that आप ये live देखेंगे तो आपको सब दिख जाएगा. And for everybody else who's joining us from all around the world, this is your chance to get your piece. Now, look at this. Now, this is the third one that I'm showing you. Of course, this is the first that I'm wearing. That was the new Meena. It's got a different combination of Meena. It's absolutely fabulous. Ye jo hai, now this is what I wanted to show you. So, organza, we didn't want to use it for our bottom. Okay, so we were very careful to say कि ऐसी क्या फैब्रिक है जो थोड़ा रिच भी लगे और जिसमें हम ये बॉर्डर वीव कर पाए, you know, because you see this border has to be woven, so it can't be something which is too thin. So we did a special composition of fabric, which is this. This is for your bottom, जो दुपट्टा है और जो कुर्ता है. Now look at the beauty. I love this color. Of course I like what I'm wearing, but I also absolutely love this color. Each one has their unique. So ये जो है ये border ये आपके सामने आएगी, and I have done this detailing. If you want to know more of it, of course we'll send you a picture. My pants are of course of this fabric, and I've done a tail style. So this is slightly longer from the back and this is shorter. For this I'm going to wear lots of heels. So इस style में आपको heel पहनना पड़ेगा. If you want an uneven bottom, that's when it shows. And look at that. That's the one. And iska bottom, okay, I have opened the bottom. So there you go. This is the bottom, and this is a lovely color to choose from. You know, I read a client feedback that this is so amazing. The color pop out so beautifully as well. So yes, if you like red, then this is what I'm wearing, and it is ready to ship out. This beautiful piece, ye hai, and it is not like a normal red. You know, it's like so amazing. So there, you know, you can see it. Oh, we are so excited to be in Chandigarh. Thank you. We hope to see you. Get your friends, get your family, and you know, just be ready for a day full of amazing shopping, because that's what you're going to get. Okay. Okay. Anyways, the last one is here, and that is this. Okay. So this is the last color of that we have done. ऐसे आप कहें तो white को हम कर सकते हैं, you know, in any other color. But I think it's such, you know, our palette is very earthy. You know, the reds, the greens, very deep. This red that I'm wearing is phenomenal because, you know, yesterday I was shooting it in the day. And right now also it's all natural light. Now this is a beautiful rustish orange. Okay, it's absolutely amazing. So what I was saying is that, oh, amazing. So, you know, what I was saying was that this is a color which will look amazing irrespective of the time and the day. So you can just kind of, you know, go for it any time of the day and it's going to look superb. So we are going to be showing you आज. अब इसके बाद lots of collection. ये तो हमारा आज का नया look था. And you know, that's what I was wondering. And that we were, you know, inviting so many of you. जो भी अगर आप हमारे client list में रहे हैं from the cities of Chandigarh and Ludhiana, we have of course been calling you. So, you know, so much feedback that we want to see katans, we want to see chanderis, because wedding season आ गई तो कुछ grand dupatte, so we're going to have it all. Now, for everybody who's online, this is a great chance. I know so many of you joining our, you know, pages in all of this recent times, and a lot of you, of course, with us for a long time. So, ये जो 2 दिन है आज और कल, this is a grand opportunity for you to get all of these beautiful pieces first, okay? Because we are, of course, showing it to you. So, you know, you can, and always remember that we do have more of it. So when you see a thon like this, which is our signature triangle with a beautiful red dupatta, you know, you can have it. Everybody in Ludhiana and Chandigarh can have it. Remember that we have kind of made it our job, and it is our job, that हम handloom को, handcrafted pieces को इस scale पे ले जाएं, that you online and you at the show and everybody who comes here, everybody has enough, you know. It's taken us a lot of time to be able to do this, but yes, we've been able to do it. So every piece that you see, you will see enough here, enough there. But अगर of course चाहिए अभी online जो order करना है वो अभी आपको करना पड़ेगा, so that you can get it. Especially for everybody's on Eid. जब तक हम आएंगे ईद खत्म हो जाएगी. So for Eid shopping, you have to do it today and tomorrow. It's such a great time to do it. Saturday, most of our stuff will leave for the, road show, either the trunk show or the Punjab show. Okay, so today and tomorrow is your day to be shopping. So many of you saying that you're coming from the US and you want your pieces to be here. Again, great time to be doing it. Now, look at this. This is an organza fabric. Now, I'm going to go back to saying what I wanted to say and tell you about the details. This is a beautiful organza fabric. Now, the reason we're bringing it out is we're confident that now you've seen me wear it, you will feel that it can be worn and enjoyed very much. Okay. Now, this is a plain organza. You can do a plain organza, beautiful suit, add some weight to it and wear this lovely Georgette dupatta. Look at that. I think it's such a pretty combination. Halka sa iska jo gold touch hai wo is pe kara le, and then you can also do, you can also do some highlighting. It's just going to look very pretty. Okay, we've also been, doing a lot of small videos, honestly, because we know that so many of you are here for the first time and everybody's wondering, yaar humne live mein to dekha, ab hum order kaise kare? So when you see something as amazing as this, now look at this. This is my last cut. This is okay. So कुछ चीजें हैं जो हमारे पास. Now when I was talking about, yes, we have done, we've been able to create with your blessings and your love, a handcrafted business where we have enough, okay? Like something that I'm wearing, yes, of course we're going to make it and, you have to wear it right now. But at the same time, we make certain pieces which are really small and, very limited. Now, both of this that you're seeing, absolutely limited, okay? This is the only beautiful combination that we go have in this kind of style, and this is what I'm showing you. Jo iske pehre maine dikhaya, that's also, so yes, there is enough for everybody, but बात तो ये है कि जो आपको पसंद आए वो आपको मिले, और उसके लिए whatever you see now is the time that you're going to go for it. Okay, now I'm going to go for all kinds of looks. That was Georgette, satin silk. This one is our fabulous, okay, I'm going to open it because it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Our yarn dyed silk fabric, 4,800 per meter, 2.5 meter for 12,000, 5 meter same on same for 24,000, okay. And here it is. Now you're going to see this here. Now इसके साथ हमने एक हल्का फुल्का silk, pure silk दुपट्टा दिखाया है. But now look how perfect it looks. So, you can check on the prices, but I think it's so perfect. सिल्क है, प्योर सिल्क है, बट इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. नाउ अगर एक चीज अगर आपको थोड़ा सा प्राइस फॉर द बॉटम कम करना है तो आप कतान की जगह चिनिया ले सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स कहने की ये बात है कि बेस्ट तो रहेगा अगर आप लेके जाएंगे इसमें कतान ऑन कतान, बट श्योर इफ यू वांट टू रिड्यूस द प्राइस फॉर योर बॉटम, दैट कैन बी डन. Our heritage collection of fabrics and just phenomenal Meena, just the most beautiful work, okay? So this now, when we are showing you this, it is from our most premium collection of fabrics, and dupattas. Now I'm showing you a little bit combination of both. The idea, as I said today, was to show you everything so that you can, because summer weddings, ekdam full on, they are going on. And there's also so many of you coming back home. So you want your stuff and, everything has to be ready. So this is now like the time to kind of go for it. We're going to be doing just a bit of everything. Organza, the one that I'm wearing, is just perfect for the season. Then you say, yeah, I want to also wear something which is a little different. I have a reception or a wedding to attend, and, then you need something like this, which is silk. Of course, this is an ensemble, which means that you can just say that I want a beautiful dupatta like this and मुझे ये plain suit के साथ चाहिए. So we will dye a plain suit with it. How can you place an order? जो भी आपने देखा है अभी, उसका एक screenshot लें. हमारा WhatsApp number pinned है दोनों ही तरफ. So all you have to on Facebook, it's not pinned. It's pinned, it's not showing. Okay, it's gone up. Okay, fine. So yes, on Facebook, on Instagram, our lives going on simultaneously. And we have pinned down a number. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? All you have to do is take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and ask details and place your order. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो आप जरूर order place करें, And we ship worldwide, दुनिया में कहीं भी, you can be kind of ordering from us. Look at that stunning combination. और अगर आज आप ये 2 लाइव देखते हैं, आपको एक सिनॉप्सिस में सब हमारे बहुत सुंदर पीसेस आपको सब देखने को मिलेंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दैट. दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल, love this color. It's just phenomenal with its this whole 2-tone color. Okay, now of course when we choose for this season, what is also very important is that it's very important that you kind of pick the colors that are correct for you. You don't want to go too dark, you don't want to go for things that will not work. So पूरा ही जो आज का लाइव है, जो 2 लाइव है आज के, वो इसी तरीके से क्यूरेटेड है कि आपको अपना इस सीजन का लुक मिले. आगे की तो हम बाद में देखेंगे, बट इस सीजन में आप ये पहन पाए. सो वी हैव डन कतान सिल्क बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ इट जब कुछ रिच पहनना है और आपको स्टैंड आउट करना है तो आप क्या पहनेंगे? ऑफ कोर्स बनारसी. ओके, एंड बनारसी में वी हैव इनफ फॉर यू. एंड सो like we've done an organza dupatta, so the whole look becomes really really different and starts to look very very pretty. Okay, now this is a munga silk, light, flowy, and really really versatile. अब इसके साथ आप honestly मुझे बोले कौन सा दुपट्टा पहन सकते हैं? कोई भी दुपट्टा you can be wearing with it. There is no restriction. It's really really flexible. But because I wanted to show you, I'm also showing you really classy combination. And even if you have not been able to catch any of our new launches in the last few days, no worries, be here, hang on here, and we will show you lots and lots. Because now in this one you are seeing silk, you will be seeing munga, a bit of bani as well, and in the next live, which is at 11:30, you're going to be seeing lots of cottons as well. Isme bhi hai cottons, but yes, you keep watching, keep seeing. Thank you, keep the words coming. We are watching you and it's amazing to have your feedback. Look at this beautiful combination. This is katan silk, munga silk. I think it looks amazing. Now we go on to some dupattas and some phenomenal colors in each one of them. Now look at that. Oh my god. Okay, there is munga, there is meenakari. It's all in karwa and it's just beautiful. All of these have been finished. You can see the amazing flow with it. Okay, absolutely no weight to it, so light. In fact, जो मैंने मूंगा फैब्रिक अभी दिखा रही थी मैं, वो इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. And apart from that, we do have our lotus मूंगा, our 5400 वाला कलीदार वाला मूंगा, which they're all neutrals, which will go wonderfully well. In case you want to see those options, just tell us and we will kind of go for it. जो प्राइजेस है आपको सभी आना पड़ेगा on our WhatsApp. अच्छा, we have a website, okay, which is www.neve.store. But when you're looking for the collection that you're seeing here in the lives, you will have to come on WhatsApp, okay? So we've kind of left everything behind in terms of, broken the barriers. It is so easy to shop. अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हैं, just try it once and it can be anything. It can be a 2.5 meter का cut. It's so easy. You see this in real time. My team is always there, in our working hours. What a lovely color. Look at that. A mustard. So good. And another color that is really good. Now, isme, of course, what you can do is you can go for a neutral look, but of course if you're going to make it a little formal, and you should, because these are just stunning. Okay, अब इनको wrap around अपने head पे करें because it's very easy. आराम से flow करता है. I can't do it. I'm not good at it, but I know you can do it. So it's a really good fabric to wrap around your head or to wear it, and just like you don't have to worry कि manage कैसे करना है, वो खुद में ही manage हो जाएगा. That is the beauty of our fabrics when you're going for it. Okay, so this, we had 4 color options for this design, and I have just shown you all. Look at that. This amazing beautiful color. This beautiful color that is there again for it. So you can see that here it is, and I just love the flow of it. So look at that. It's got all of this meena, which is all in karwa, and you can see the beautiful look right here. Okay, from this is stunning dupattas and munga that are so flexible, that are so beautiful, that you could be wearing in so many different ways. We are going to jump into suit sets, and for that, beautiful bani karwa, it's got it all. That's the suit set that we are going to go for, and you can see just beautiful colors right there. Look at the stunning effect of it. और इसकी जो beauty है वो ये भी है. the booking number high, if you see it, ये pinned है WhatsApp पे. अगर आपको नहीं दिख रहा है तो हर पोस्ट पे हमारा बुकिंग नंबर है, एक ही नंबर है, which is 8828218609. So I'm also saying that this is the only number that you can see. Look at that amazing piece. The bottom with it is also bandhni, and it's beautiful. It's joined here. You know, when it's joined, when we are prepping for our shows, तो हमारे सब join हो जाते हैं. Because you know how it is, right? Like on that day, and like if you've come to a show, you know, first few hours we're all organized and all, and then it kind of starts to get crazy. Okay, so for that you can see all of that. Now they're joined. It's a beautiful, stunning, just stunning one, and I have color option in it. The other one equally beautiful. So you can go all traditional, you can go all, you can all go really, like a red. Now the blue, if you're wearing, the blue is something, the blue there is that something that you can wear for a dinner party. You can really wear it for a cocktail, for any formal event. It will be so good. So बहुत ही different looks हैं. I'm going to show it to you. तीनों ही pieces में बांधनी है. Dupatta, of course, karwa, and this really lovely piece. And there you go. Just look at this amazing bandhni premium karwa georgette. Now all of this very fine bandhni has been done, and you can see all the details here. Okay, right? So there you go. Now from that, we're going to pop into something very light and nice, which is some wonderful colors in georgette fabric. Now you can see here these georgette fabrics. Okay, now georgette जो सिर्फ fabrics हैं वो मैं इसे दिखा रही हूँ because they are such great bases to have as a part of your wardrobe. Like, you know, you wear a nice georgette kurta. अब इसमें अगर आपको heavy दुपट्टा चाहिए, surely if you want a lighter दुपट्टा, surely. Like, we also have the most beautiful, let's pull these out, with the most beautiful monga dupattas, okay? Now, some of these will work so well in the combination, which is why, in fact, I kind of did that. Now, first things first, tussar, and what pastels, beautiful pieces right here. Okay, can we just pin down our number again on Facebook? Yes, we are pinning it down, so hold on to that. Now first things first, look at this tussar one. Okay, I think it's amazing. Now let's do a combination. You say you want to wear it with red, this is how it looks. You want to wear it with a gold, which I think it looks wonderful, this one. So you can also do this one. बहुत सुंदर है. And of course separately उन पे अगर आप चाहें तो you can take our dyeable dupattas as well, but I'm going to do a bit of both. These beautiful tussar dupattas जिनका मीना इतना सुंदर है, and we do have some colors in it. All of these, सबसे बड़ी बात है सब ready है ship होने को, like there is no delay from our part, so that's a wonderful one. Now this one, this is a green. Now when green comes, I think, you know, so obvious is that we're going to go towards a pink, because I think green and pink look phenomenal. So just, you know, that's what I was saying. Even if you are trying just a 2.5 meter ka card, you've tried it, you've seen it, you know, look at that. It's a beautiful combination if you like contrast. हाँ, अगर आप बोलें कि, you know, you like a same on same, then we have many of these in dyeable version. I'm just trying to see, is there any other combination that I can do? I think this also looks so different and so pretty, and we haven't planned this. सब आप ही के सामने हम बना रहे हैं, but that's the whole fun of being spontaneous. So all of these, like these are 2.5 or maybe they are 3. They're just really great. And again, you know, look at that. That's a, now ये जो है, it is so good to have as a neutral kurta in your wardrobe. Again, इसका एक और design है मेरे पास. You know, look at that, and very nice. Now add a plain bottom. You can do, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be doing basically plain chinia silk bottom, which will look amazing, and then you are just set, because you can then wear any. अच्छा dyeable आप चाहें तो ask us and we will kind of, you know, give it to you कि dyeable कौन सा आपको. Look at that, that's a beautiful red. Okay, I think I am going to go for this combination. I love this rust. I will do that also, but I want to do this. Now this is such a lovely color in our tussar dupattas. Look at the beauty of it. Okay, I'm going to show it to you with the red like this. And then, as my team member says here, we're also going to be showing you a very different combination with it. what do I have in my hand? I do have a tussar meenakari combination. अब इसमें जो बात है, and I'll tell you because that's my job. I should be telling you all the fact that looks can be made and not made. Okay, this is a beautiful dupatta. I think it looks stunning with that. This is also tussar, and in fact it does have very similar colors, but इसमें जो zari है वो silver है. Okay, so that's the look that you're trying to create. So if you're okay with the fact that you like the two combinations of the zari, then this look is for you. If you want it to be kind of all gold, of course then the georgette is for you. Georgette में आप contrast कर ले, चाहे तो आप उसमें same on same भी कर ले. Just ask us for what are the dyeable versions, and we will do it. So one quick glimpse, because I think this is a beautiful dupatta. It will come back again in the last color in just a bit, but uske pehle are again, now these are all last of what you're seeing. So when I say we have enough, we do have a lot of inventory. Okay, so there's like, even if you're coming for a show first in Chandigarh, तो अगर आप सोच रहे हैं यार लुधियाना में क्या रहेगा, we will have enough for you. Okay, do not worry about that. But at the same time, what happens is that when we do a live, we have clients joining in from all over the world. Okay, so of course this exact same piece may not be available, but then we will have enough for you at both the shows. And for everybody's online, because of course for you the medium is right here, because you are coming here in the live to join, then yes, for you it is all of these beautiful pieces that you must go for right away, so that you can get your favorite ones. And that's why we are doing it as the last live. But इसीलिए हम आपको दो lives कर रहे हैं आज, which is the second one is at 11:30, where it will be lot more about cottons. But now with this, okay, it's a beautiful combination. I'm going to show you both. You're seeing this is a tussar one. Now you're seeing this as a combination. It's also a Munga silk fabric. Munga and tussar, it's like best friends together, very, very close in their looks, texture. They go really well, as a look. This in itself, you can go for this in itself. These are 4,800 per meter. We have done a same on same look earlier, and it just looks amazing. Okay, look at that, the pastels. So what I was trying to do was create this. इसके साथ हम black look तो कर ही सकते हैं, but I think this looks so much more, so cool, so interesting, checkered and traditional design of a floral pattern with border. So when you're turning up here, our agenda is always to give you so much more. Now this is even cooler, like a check. This is the same fabric, the Munga one that we are doing, but इसके साथ जो हम चले जा रहे हैं वो है इस पे. Look at that. So that's a georgette dupatta. And this is Bani, pure georgette, tested zari, full weight, full length, 21,800. And it's a beautiful light dupatta that, you don't have to really worry so much about how to pair. Because ye, aapne red kurta pehna, pink pehna, whatever color that you have, you will look really nice, even a gold. But you can also do a same on same like this. And again, I think, of course you can do a georgette, buta, we can do that. But agar aapko kuch alag, you want to create a look, this is also a very, very nice option. Now two just fabrics, are these just fabrics? Okay, two, I'm going to show you this, and it's beautiful fabric. And I'm really happy to be trying these out. Now what is it that you're seeing here? It's a satin silk, okay? So this is a really, really cool one, a satin silk fabric, very flowy. That perfect cord look ke liye, this is really good. It's also geometric, so nice, easy, rich for an evening wear, because this color is definitely about kind of wearing it as an evening. And totally, look at it, so good. And this, if you see the back, completely clean, kuch bhi nahi hai. And this, what phenomenal look this is. And we're trying this for the first time. I love the fact that it looks so nice, so rich, but also no lining required, very easy to wear, just all of these things, perfect. Okay, now this is of course the new look. I was wearing the dupatta when I started out. I'll wear it at the end. It is from the first ever organza suit set collection with meenakari. It's like all of those blooms right here for the spring summer season. It's got the most beautiful colors. Another of our wonderful, most premium, beautiful sets, and that is this. Now look at this combination. This is crafted on the finest silk and cotton. You know, that's the whole look of it. It's just everything that you're looking for one perfect white look. It's richness beyond something that you've seen, you know, most intricate. Now that's the bottom. So we've also got the bottom, as you see, along with it. Ye the bottom ki border, it's so, you know, broad and beautiful, which is to be used. So richness, and I'm just going to show you the dupatta again. That's the karwa weave, you know, kurta. This is the dupatta, and yes, this is a suit set. So if you're somebody who thinks that, you know, suit set is what works best for you, then what I'm wearing is today a great option. This one is just phenomenal, and it was on a pre-order for a long time, and we're just ready for this season to have our pieces in white. It's phenomenal, you know. So yes, so that's from that, and yes, one more color that we have. And now look at that. So this is one color that I'm wearing, and then this is another color that you're wearing, and very similar but slightly different. This suit that I have in hand, it's got a touch of pink. So really, you've got everything. You like meenakari, you like, you know, the premium stuff, you like the hand woven, the most fine details. These are the collection for you. Now you like organza, go for the one that I'm wearing. This one, if you like very, very soft feel and look, then this is the piece. Well, I also wear this one. I wear it in a yellow. You may have seen me wear it recently on the page, and it's just beautiful whether you go in a white or a red or a yellow. So, you know, think summer wearing, these are the looks for you. Summer celebrations, parties, Eid, everybody. For Eid, and that's my sincere request that you need to place your order today to get your order. Because once our stuff leaves, then we can only ship it to you on the 31st when you're back in our studio and our stuff is back in our studio. So if you are looking for that, and I know so many of you, like, we ship all over the world for Eid, तो वो आज और कल का ही दिन है जब आपको, you know, you have to go for your pieces. That's why we're doing it up early in the morning, and then you have the entire day. Now what is coming up? You're seeing so much of this beautiful shade because yes, it is one of our colors from our palettes for this season. But I have made the most phenomenal combination. Now look at this dupatta. It's grandness personified. It's got everything. Now this with, so this dupatta and this, it's an ensemble combination, which means that you can take it together. You can take it separately. It's beyond beautiful. Look at that. Okay, a grand dupatta with an equally grand fabric in katan. It's just perfection in every which ways. So that's also a combination, and yes, these will ship out to you tomorrow, you know, so they can go even if you need a bottom नहीं चाहिए तो आज 1 घंटे में we can ship it out to you. अगर आपको bottom चाहिए, which means that if you're in the US and Canada, you can still have these in the next 4-5 days. So that's the whole joy of it. Okay, another silk one, and just stunner. Oh my god, look at that color. It's phenomenal. Color ka aisa hai, it is, as I said, you know, more about the time that you all look. This phenomenal dupatta from our heritage collection of beautiful, stunner masterpieces. This one's for you, and yes, season hai summers ka and chanderis ka, but there is always a time and place and occasion for this one, which is why you're going to be seeing these beautiful pieces today in the live, and of course at our exhibition, which means that you get a chance to order them today. Now look at that, just stunning, perfect, you know, to the T. That's what you want, you know, when you're wearing something as grand as this. You do want a perfect base to it, but something which will not overwhelm it, which will just keep it right. Okay, now from that, I'm going to go to something really lighter in terms of a fabric. This is just a chinia silk fabric, but it's beautiful, okay, in its color. And with it, what we're going to do is this wonderful Bandhni premium dupattas, and this as a combination. So yes, we do have the heavy katans, but if you're looking for lighter silk, this is also very, very good with it. Okay, now ye suddenly ek beech mein reh gaya tha, so I want to come back to it, and that is my intention today, that I'm going to be in brief, trying to show you as much as we can. We're going to go on for another 15 minutes, show everything that we have to show for you, so that, oh, look at that, ultra lightweight, just phenomenal dupattas, okay? Dupattas like these, you can take them in white and then you can dye them at your end. If you've taken or if you like a color from a shade card, we can dye it for you. But just phenomenal, you know, these beautiful dupattas in Kadwa. And now that's also a combination that you can be going for. Of course, iski zari silver hai. It may not need a dupatta. You can just go for a plain munga bottom and that. But if you're looking for a set and slightly formal, this is also very, very beautiful. Okay, we're also going to be doing dupatta. Now, this is what I'm showing you. Like, this dupatta is some 13,000. So this, you know, Katan silk dupatta, and what a stunning shade. अब इसके साथ I do have the perfect matching for you in terms of this fabric. So you wear a suit which is all about black, but you know, you see the whole base being so different. The Meenas matching perfectly is just everything that you would like to have in one set. All you need is a plain silk bottom, which can be chinia silk. Okay, the next one is this really lovely dupatta, which is of course doing so well, and this is Kadwa pure cotton and Sona Rupa with a satin border. So yeah, just about everything. Hand woven with the, you know, with the softest Ektara cotton. Look at that dupatta with a satin border. It is so, you know, it's about finesse and so much beauty all there. So that's your most beautiful dupatta in cotton. We do have, I think this is the only color right now available with us. So yes, and now you can go for this combination. So now what we have done, we have actually, instead of going for cotton, which we can do plain chanderi cotton with it and it will look very pretty. But what we have done is this perfect matching silk, which I just think elevates it to another level. So, and look at that, just details which are so perfect. And while we are showing you these combination, remember, like jo ensemble hai, ye jaise ensemble hai, ye ek ensemble and such a phenomenal one. Look at that grace of that dupatta, the colors coming out. Okay, now in this, the joy is that aap chahe to set mein le, chahe to isko alag le. Now enjoy this wonderful combination. What better for summer weddings when you're looking for Georgette grand dupattas and lightweight silks and wear them together, you know, it's just everything. So, you know, I mean, it's about how we're going to be building it up as a combination. Acha. When you come to our shows, remember that ये जो pieces होते हैं ensemble specially अलग अलग रखे हुए होते हैं, right? So sometimes you feel I cannot see the same way that I see it on the live. Yes, lives are very different, which is why it is so easy to buy. You see it and you buy a combination. But if you get a screenshot, we'll show you exactly the same pieces together. So yes, make sure थोड़ा सा homework है, but once you've done that, it becomes really easy to be shopping even exact same way, get the exact same combination that you've been eyeing. And for everybody else, this is, you know, perfection, because we've done all our details, but at the same time aap bole ye mujhe fabric bahut pasand hai, I want a lighter dupatta with it, probably I want the, you know, base color instead of this. We will very quickly show you our dyeable options. Aap usme pick kare and then we'll dye it and send it to you. So again, really super simple to be kind of shopping with us. It doesn't get better. And Banarsi is short, but Banarsi is not a, you know, it's not a restriction for us. It's a matter for endless possibilities. We do premium cottons, we do chanderi, we do munga, we do Georgette, we do linens. Okay, lots of linens, tussars, katans, and katans mein ek tara bhi hai, alag tarike bhi hai. So yeah, it's like just so much for you to see. And now this one I love. So when I was saying about neutral munga, this is a great neutral munga. You've seen me wear it, 5,800 per meter. And with it, I'm going to go for this combination. Like, how perfect is that? You know, you can get it dyed, but mujhe ye lagta hai ye color zyada uthta hai when you do it in a contrast like this. It looks really good. And oh my God, what a phenomenal one. You know, I love trying out these crazy colors. Okay, it's so bright, it's so beautiful when I'm making my fabrics. We have the most extensive, of course, professional shade cards that we use. And जब हम हमारी paletting करते हैं, which means that we, once our designs are finalized and done and the sampling is done, then we pick out the colors. And I go completely crazy. I love putting and trying these colors. You know, sometimes we have this discussion, is somebody going to wear this? And I said, absolutely, I would. So you should, because it's so beautiful. You stand out in the most amazing way. Like, you know, it's so common for us to be wearing like this as a bag color. You'll see a Bottega green and you'll see it's so great. But my thing is, why not wear just a kurta? Now, you want to kind of keep it neutral. Just wear a plain bottom, okay, or plain silk, and then do a very light tissue dupatta, okay. Our 8,800 tissue dupatta is going to look so good on this. So, yes, try and go beyond, okay. Now, I'm going to show you now this very pretty suit set that everybody's been eyeing, and yes, so आज मैंने आपको 3 suit set के collection दिखाए हैं. The Hiranya, the one that you saw, the one that I'm wearing, our first ever collection of organza, and this is actually a first, because this is the first time that we have done a mull cotton as a collection, and these suit sets just have everything. If you are somebody who loves these soft fabrics, who wants to wear these beautiful suits but want to keep it light, these are the suits for you. Just look at that color, okay, and endless of you asking for these. Of course, we have made some of these, but they're, yes, of course, fast running out. And this is a phenomenal complete set with the bottom bhi hai isme jo humne weave kiya hai. So everything is there. I love the black, okay, it's amazing as a black suit, and summer evenings, formal dinners, it's just so good. And then you will see the most beautiful white. Look at that, such a beautiful white. Okay, मैंने इतने excitement में I have forgotten the showing you the kurta itself. अच्छा, इसमें what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it because I want to actually show it to you how soft it is, okay. Like, look at that. So there is this, okay, there is this border, there's this very beautiful border, and this is how soft it is, okay. I was trying to do it in the video, मैं कर नहीं पाई, मुझे दिखाना था आपको. This is actually how soft it is, okay. Very sturdy, very soft, very comfy. That's your suit set. So you have to have like one organza, one mull cotton. It's a mull cotton, okay. It's a special composition. Chanderi to ek thread hai, but jo dusra thread hai, that's a mull cotton, which is a much thinner, much more difficult to weave, but that's the suit, which is why it gives you this. Look at that transparency. You will need that lining, but kya lagega, because it's going to be so soft to wear, so it's going to be amazing. Now look at that, perfect, right? And then you also have the bottom with it, so it's got just, and it's got this, you know, we're trying to do a little more with our bottoms. It's my border name because it doesn't need a border, but it's got this texture. और border भी है इसमें, और border भी है, okay. I just thought that, okay, I'm going to open it up. Yes, there is actually a border too. So what we're trying to really do with our bottoms is just kind of do a little more. So we've done, you know, jacquards, we've done borders, so that, and you know, I remember having this discussion about the borders, which is why I was surprised that it's there when I was getting it made, and we discussed that, you know, the pricing will go up even if we do the border. But now I remember, and you know, that's all, you know, like we're all here working, so it's great. I remember then finally, which I thought I'd skip, but then, you know, that's us, we always want to give you more. So हमने वो border फिर add करवाई, and then we said that, yeah, irrespective, we will do the border because it does give a very nice look. So that's what I was saying. In our bottoms also, we are not just going, oh, what a color, what a summer color. We are going for more. We are trying to give you everything. और इसके जो colors हैं सारे, like they are just exceptional, and you're gonna have a tough time picking up. And this red, now look at that, it's a signature color. हमने हमारे हिरण्य में किया है. We've done it in this organza, we've done it in chanderi. सब में, you know, they're all different shades, but they are so beautiful. You know, which means that we are trying to create an entire palette for you so that you can go. And this one, I wanted to show you all the colors. ताकि ये, for everybody online, you can just very quickly pick up all the colors that you can see here. Look at that. Just amazing. This one, it's so pretty, the lemon. And we've just had the last color arrive just in time for this live, and it is this very pretty, very soft green, okay. So there you go, here it is, just amazing. And let's show you the dupatta. What a beautiful color, right? From this, we are going to go on to, do you have a dupatta or two? We can do that. If you have this green that you have, it's you know, just freshness personified, just for the spring. This beautiful set, okay. We are going to go on to the last set of dupattas that we have, and then of course let's go into these. Now, and there you go. Amazing colors, softness, beautiful pieces. That's your, this is Munga silk. So we did tussar and then we have Munga. So we do have both for you, and you can just pick out any. Right now we are doing these, which are, look at that. This is a very unique, again, composition, which is, first let me show you this. Now you can see this has got a jacquard weave. It's absolutely beautiful with this pretty nice meena in this. And the last one from this dupatta category is this going to be this one. And this is a border one. So this is again a Munga. Again, this wonderful color that you can see here. And that's that. Okay. So we're going to go on to, let's do a couple of these suits. Now, if you see these suits, okay, and I think have just two, three of these, not much. We're going to be doing a few more. Okay. Now look at that. That's a Georgette suit. And it's also, the unique single only pieces that you're seeing here. And these are full suits. Very easy for you to kind of be buying and getting. What I'm doing here is now I'm just showing you like complete sets that you could be picking up. There you go. That's a wonderful one. It's a full suit. This we're going to keep for the next live, but I do want to show you Georgette, and what a stunning red. This one. Let's go for this next. Okay, and let's show you all the pieces. जो भी देखिए prices हैं, you have to just come with a screenshot on WhatsApp. What a stunning one, guys. Look at that with a plain bottom. This is absolutely amazing. All of these ready to be shipped out. अगर आज bottom नहीं भी ready है, कल तक ready होके they will ship out to you. Now that's a Munga one, and that's a deep dark color. It's a shade of gray. Look at how wonderful the zari looks. It kind of just comes out. So I think it needs a little more ironing. I think just IIA finishing say, but I think the zari looks amazing with it. So there you go. That's a great option. Now this one, there you go. Look at that. That's a silver zari with all of this meena right there for you. Okay. Now I have this very nice silk fabric, which I do want to show you. In fact, iske saath, if you wear a red, just imagine yourself wearing a red bottom and this, bahut sundar lagega. So some silk fabrics that you're going to be seeing, is this the dupatta with this one? Yeah, it's with that one. Okay, let's show you this. Anyways, itna sundar dupatta hai, which I think is going to look amazing irrespective is this. So there you go. Oh. So grandness personified, this very beautiful dupatta. We can do a red look for you. We can really make it premium and heavy, but I also want to do this one. Now look at this, really stunning. So what I've done here is a raw silk with this. It's very different from the combinations we do when it's like, the main, how from August onwards, the combinations we do. Right now, what we are doing is bringing out of these fabulous fabrics. And, of course, they're all season, pure fabrics, and they are all season. But what we're doing is just dressing them so differently and in a very different style. The color palettes are going to be lighter, how you're going to be wearing them. Like if you're wearing this, then all we would know you need for you to do is a light sea green dupatta. Keep it minimal, keep it really easy. You can also see some phenomenal, look at that. Here it is, linen, a beautiful linen fabric, okay? Just a white kurta that looks so good in it. That's this look, okay? It's all you will need is a plain bottom. So meena kari linen fabric. I think it does seem to be like the last cut, just pretty. Then there is this one last set which we have of Georgette, okay? We're going to be doing this Georgette. Oh, look at that. So now why is this so perfect? Because it is an organza dupatta, okay? It's got some handwork, detailing, a Georgette. Let's open it for you so that it's very easy for you to see. Look at that. And that's your dupatta, that's your kurta, plain silk bottom. And something that kind of elevates it but really keeps it classy and simple. That's your look. All of this detailing by hand on it. So very pretty. I'm going to wear my dupatta bag. This is the new launch for today. We're going to have one. I think the style video is up since yesterday. You've seen me kind of wear it. And we're going to put up a picture also. If you want to kind of go for the detailing, just ask us and we'll send you all the detailing there is to us. Okay, what we are doing here are today a back-to-back live. Two of them, yeah, now I'm all set. So we are doing a back-to-back live. The first one is just ending. The second one, yeah, we're going to go. Now we did a lot of really nice mixed range of fabrics, from georgettes to mungas to tussar to organzas to premium cottons. We did all of that. The next one is going to be a lot more. Is there any pieces you can bring it here? I'll just show it at the very end, because I want to do that combination very much. There is this phenomenal combination I so love for the wedding season. Oh my god, just look at the richness of this. Yeah, bring anything on if there is anything that, no, this is it. I mean, kuch idhar se reh gaya to bataएं, otherwise I'm going to just close with this stellar piece. And look at the dupatta, look at this fabric. It's perfect for your summer weddings. Okay, as I said that, you know, this is going to be a live with these rich ones. The next one is more going to be on, there's going to be silk in both, in fact, but it's also going to have premium cottons and lots of it. So make sure that at 11:30 you are back and you see these two lives, and then you go crazy shopping, because this is the time to do that. For everyone, you know, we're not going to have any lives from the shows this time, Chandigarh and Ludhiana. I mean, agar kuch humne kar diya to bonus hai, but we have not planned anything, you know, our time schedule. Like one day we are in Chandigarh, the next day after the half day we are in Ludhiana. So it's like non-stop. I'm arriving that morning, so hardly any time, you know. So we're doing this दो lives ताकि आप आराम से, you know, दिल खोल के you can do your shopping for this season that's there for Eid, for celebrations, for everybody coming back home, and for summer weddings. Okay, and you have to be wearing these kind of suits, you know, for summers, like light, dressy, beautiful, meenakari. Why go anything lesser? You have to go all on. So thank you, and I will see you in just a bit at you know, so it's about half an hour, a little more, so 30 minutes में हम आपसे वापस मिलते हैं. Meanwhile, get all the details. You want to go and go start shopping now. Thank you.